Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide followers on Instagram. So if you want to hide your followers on Instagram, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on three bar icon which is on the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now you have to scroll a bit down, and here you can find account privacy. Just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option you can find private account option. You just have to turn on that option if that's off, and after turning on that option you will hide followers on Instagram. So this is how you can hide. So this is how to hide followers on Instagram. So after doing this, your followers will be hidden from those who are not friends on your account. The persons who are friends with you can see your followers. So that's it. This is how to hide followers on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.